Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian. I'm your host P Fire, aka P. How many feet you got? I still only got 2 feet. And this is another episode of 2 Feet Bear Creps. Today we have an unboxing. Should we get into it? Yeah, let's get into it. It's rare that we have an unboxing, but let's do it. Woof! Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. And you already see what that is. You know who that's from. Nike, and I don't mean Nike, it's Nike. Alright, let's have a little. You love that, don't you? We love that. What we got here, gang? What we got here? Boom. Can you see? Let's see what we got here, people. You see that? You see the insignia? You see what it do. Let's have a quick cheeky look at what we have here. Alright, my beautiful people, you already seen the insignia. So for those of you with the eagle eye that know about crepes, you already know what that insignia signifies. Oh, and let's get straight into it. I mean, look at that. We got some beautiful butterflies right there on the papier. The papier is looking mad butterfly-rific. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you another view of that. Alright, the papier is looking butterfly-rific. We're gonna take it out. Uno. We're gonna take it out. Deux. And I'm just gonna put these. These are the Air Max Tailwind 5 Skepta, and these actually drop on the 5th of April. Now I got these because for once in my life I actually won something on oops, Jesus Christ. Crazy. For once in my life I actually won something on sneakers, right? You know, I mean, it's like I actually won something. I'm just gonna go pick up that pair and try and do it seamlessly as if that never happened. And yeah, and this is the pair that won on sneakers. I thought me and my girl Kezarella, shout out my girl Kezarella, she was like, oh, they online now. So I was like, oh, let me enter for Bants and see what I won. And as luck would have it, I won these. I say won, they weren't free. I paid for them, but I got the chance to purchase, and I purchased, and purchase went through. And here we are. So, should we get into them? As always, we'll go right shoe. So these are the Tailwind 5. And disclaimer, I've never had a Nike Tailwind because I don't really tend to like the bulkier of the shoes. It's not really my kind of thing. I'm not gonna front, so I'm not gonna be here like, oh yeah, I had these back in the days, fam. Yeah, back in the days, man's had these. No, I didn't. Anyway, let's get into it. So on the midsole here, you have that really bubblicious midsole right there, which gives you un, deux, trois, quatre. You have 4 visible it's probably it's the 4 visible windows, I should say, so you can see a visible window, 4 windows that allow you to see the air bubble right there. And that midsole is partitioned by this chrome like element right here, which goes all the way up and across and down, which is then aped by this chrome swoosh here. You have this, I'd call it like a web like what's the crepe that I used to have? But anyway, as you can see, let's just get these in. You can see these web like features here which go across the toe box there and all the way across to the other side. I'm trying to remember what the crepe was that had that webbing, but I can't remember at the moment. You also have this toe piece here right on the toe, as you can see, which is kind of slightly raised. If you look at the profile like so, you can see it's slightly raised up, and this is housed by a bed of canvas material right here. So this material right here is canvas. Can you hear it? That's a canvas material, and that has this sort of cocoon-like, butterfly-like, I say cocoon-like, butterfly wings sort of print on it, which apes the print, let's just show you, on the box right there, okay? So, you have that. You have these rope laces right here, as you can see, and that's kind of like your Air Max 97 sort of lacing right there. You have this iridescent, I'm not sure if the light can catch it, but you have this iridescent tongue, and on there you have the SK Air, and it says Tailwind, as you can see. So that is an iridescent material. Once you get the light to hit it, I'm going to see if I can show you some of that in a moment. And that is aped on the heel right there. So if we just move it around a bit, we'll show you the light. You can't really see it, but yeah, I'll get you to see it in a minute. You have this chrome-like plastic here, which is quite a nice little feature, sort of very futuristic. What else do you have? On the other side, it's identical. Let's just see if we can get some light on the old crepe to show you that iridescent feel. Here we go. So, can you see us a bit more? Like if I shine some light on there, can you see the iridescence? Let me go underneath. Maybe not, but you have this iridescent feel anyway. I've got some ZXs that really, they're proper. You know, you want iridescence, you can see it on that crepe there. Okay, so yeah, you have this lovely sole here with the unit there. You have that nice turquoise color right there, which is sort of breaks it up, and then you have the, I believe these are, it's a tuned unit. I'm not really sure, to be honest. Like I said, I've never had any tailwinds before. I really do like this sole though. Very nice sole. Okay, and as you can see, that unit there has these 1, 2, 3, 4 balls, 4 balls in the insole. You have the SK Air right there, which is always a nice little touch. I do have the first Skeptas which were released, which were the 97s, the like Ultras, 97 Ultras. Really amazing shoe. Really love that shoe. I've not been crazy about the sort of 97 BWs, and then there was another one, the Shocks. You know, I was never really into Shocks. By then I was wearing a slimmer shoe. Yeah, I'm not really into heavy set shoes here. So I'll just show you this so you can see a bit more, and I'll give you the little toilage so you can see. So I wanted to see what these were like in hand, because I really did like the pictures. I liked the material on these. I actually thought these was going to be a bit more vivid, this material, the canvas material. I thought it was going to be a bit more vivid, but although the print is nice, and it's supposed to ape the butterflies. That's why you've got the butterfly on the paper. That's why you've got the butterflies on the paper. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm not crazy about this model. And seeing the crepe in hand, they're cool. You know, it's one of those ones, if I was gifted these, I've never been gifted anything, but if I was gifted these, you know, I'd happily wear them. And if these didn't cost £160, then I might say, actually, even though I'm not crazy about them, I'd keep them. You know, bit of iridescence, something slightly different. It's a model I don't actually own. I might keep them, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not, like, there's nothing I've looked at on this shoe and gone, rare, that's mad. I definitely have to have these. I definitely have to keep these. Like I said, at this time and place that I'm in, I don't want shoes just to keep them, just to say, oh yeah, they're nice to have. You know, I'm not in that place. I want something I'm going to wear every day. And to be honest, you could probably wear these every day. Do you know what I mean? You could probably wear these every day and get really good wear out of them. But at the same time, I'd rather wear an Air Max 1. You know what I'm saying? So for 160 quid for a shoe that I'm not gassed about, I can't see me keeping these. So yeah, these are the Skepta Tailwind 5s. Like, that profile right there is really sexy. But, you know, that's the profile you're going to see really, innit? And again, there's nothing really wrong with them. It's just that, I don't know. For me, it's just, you know, I'm going to put them on feet and see what Wagwan. But for me, it's not really. I doubt I'll keep them for the price point. Like I said, £160. You know, I'd rather put maybe 40 odd quid on top and get the evolution of Icon's Air Max 1s, which I missed out on. So I'd probably do that. Let's look at the quality control. You've got your usual sort of white bits of glue stains, I guess. Nothing crazy, you know. Yeah, I'm not crazy about the shoe. I'm not gonna lie. It's more the model, I think. I think if this color scheme was on a different model, then I might actually keep them. So they come with another spare set of laces. Sorry, they come with a spare set of laces, as you can see here, which are like these black with white piping laces. You know, okay. I don't believe there's anything extra in the box other than that really dope paper. No. So I think for me, guys, again, I'm going to put them on feet just to see, and I'll try and get you a on feet of these. But I'm not really gassed about these, to be honest. So I might just swerve them and send them back. See a bit of that iridescence there. Is it iridescence or iridescence? Either way, I've said it about 70 times. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, guys. This video will be up before they release, so let me know if you were thinking of getting them, if by now seeing them you've changed your mind, or you know, yeah, just let me know what you think of them. Again, these are for definitely someone's cup of tea, and again, I would rock these. I'm not gonna lie, I would rock them, but for £160, it's not something that I could justify keeping. If I do change my mind, I'll let you lot know, obviously. I'm not gonna front, you know, but like I said, for these kind of price points, I want something that I'm just gonna love and, you know, really be happy with all the time. You know, like when I look at him in the camera, like there, when I look at them in the camera, they look so much nicer than when I look at them face on. Like in the camera, I'm like, oh, these actually look so much nicer. But when I look at them face on, I'm like, yeah. So anyway, guys, this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. These have been the Skepta Tailwind 5s, and this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. You guys have been beautiful as always. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Let me know your thoughts, and as always, guys, stay fly, and we shall catch up on the next episode. Peace.